What's going on, guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Deep Exploration Code. In this video I will show you two useful tips. After opening Blender, I click on Shift plus A, then I go to Mesh and I click on UV Sphere. After that, without changing the parameters, I will move my UV sphere by clicking on first on numpad 1, then on G and then on X to move it along the X axis. Afterwards, I go to Edit mode. We notice that a square appears next to the name. This square shows that we are in edit mode. But if we click on our UV sphere, nothing happens because it is not in edit mode. To make it in edit mode, just click on the dot next to the name. To make the two objects in edit mode, just click on Ctrl plus on the point with the left mouse button to select it too. So we notice that both objects are in edit mode. This is about the first tip. About the second tip, we can select a face in edit mode because we have clicked on face selection mode. Now, if we want to select an edge, we have to click on Edge Selection mode. In the same way, if we want to select one of the vertices, we have to click on Vertex Selection mode. However, there is a trick to select directly the tree, and this is by clicking on Vertex Selection mode, then on Shift plus Edge Selection mode, then on Shift plus Face Selection mode. This will allow us to click, for example, directly on the faces or the edges or the vertices of the cube or the UV sphere, as I show it here without clicking each time on the button. Here are the two tips. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video update. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.